Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix this issue. The extractions operation was not completed and when try to unzip any folder that is not working on your Windows. So in this video, I will show you quickly how to fix this issue. In order to fix this issue, simply you need to install the WinRAR or 7-zip on your Windows 11 or 10. Let's open any browser whichever you use and type here WinRAR like so. Just type that, just go to first link, click on here download and simply download this. And once you download this, I have already downloaded its exe. You need to just run this setup. This is the setup, just need to double click on that and simply install it. Just click on OK and click on done. Once you click on done, you need to open that folder which is not working on your Windows. Let's say this is the folder. Okay, just right click and WinRAR and just you need to click on the option compress to setup, not this option, add to setup.winrar, this option like so, and you are good to go. You should able to fix that issue easily like this. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.